Let's talk about Trojans. So, as promised, we are going to talk about Trojans, and we all know what are Trojans or Trojan houses. They basically pretend to be something. For example, in a fake pop up example, the software actually pretends to be an antivirus or a memory cleaning software or some software which installs drivers. And in our second example, it does not actually pretend, but in some cases, if you have a PDF or something that is quite important, it can pretend. So Trojan is basically a software that pretends to be something. And in example 3, the cracked software, or in case you are cracking a Windows operating system, it might pretend to be the OS itself. So these are Trojans, and in our next video we'll talk about worms.